Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the background color on your Google Keep Notes. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the background color in Google Keep? First of all, open a new notes here. So we just type as notes here. So how to change the background? Actually, it's simple actually. You just need to click on you can see a painting symbol near the plus point. You will see a painting symbol, a theme symbol. So here the colors, so you can just change whatever the color that you want. You can see there is a lot of colors are given, but no color is available. There is a default a lot of colors. You can just choose from yellow, orange, blue, green, like that, and you can choose here. And this will be applied for the single note, individual note, not for apply for everything. So just click on this and you can just make it different colors so it look like different. So you can make it for every single note for different colors to highlight the purpose of the notes that you have been created. And you can also change to normal color with no color option using this option. You can see now the color was gone. So this is how you just use this and use to keep your notes in different colors to choose and creative for your work. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.